Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't do it.
Hi, my hair's frozen.
Oh, tripped. Do you want to make some soup?
Yes,
This is super scripted, as you can tell.
I want to eat.
So, here, how about you open this up, and I'll go get some other stuff.
Ah!
She's new.
I didn't know.
It's her first time.
I didn't know there was two. Oh. Baby. Rosa, baby. Rosa. Go. Oh, or that way. I did it! We got 2 pots. One's for hot chocolate, the bigger one, and then one's for soup.
Well, they're both going to be...
No, they're not.
Never mind.
Oh, that's neat. You're so smart.
Alright, so what I did was I just threw in some freeze-dried some freeze-dried stew, and we're gonna use this with some dried mushrooms and just like a ramen packet to make some soup that will have plenty of calories in it. You doing okay? I'm just gonna make a little table right here so we can put stuff on to make it easier. Doesn't need much work. And then I'm going to just take these off. So I know she was supposed to do this, but she's having fun, so I'm gonna get started. She's off in the woods. Well, she's a work in progress. We'll get her in hiking gear in no time.
You're a work in progress. Our relationship's a work in progress.
Mwah. You might hand me the hatchet?
There you go. Fail. Oh, manly man. Oh, yeah. Rosa? Rosa?
So we have water, but just to make it a little more interesting, we're gonna just grab some snow. So I'm gonna try to smush it in there.
Here.
Since we're not gonna get very much water from this, since it's very fluffy snow. All right. So I've compacted that pretty tight, and you're gonna see how little water this creates.
It's a bicyclist.
See how the snow is quickly melting? Out of that whole cup, this is the only water that was taken out.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. I feel like we're sponsoring this hot chocolate or something. She's like a giant seal, land seal.
Here, can you call her so she...
Rosa, how you doing, girl? Huh? Rosa, what's going on? How you doing? Yeah. So next up, I'm gonna take this big pan, and I am good. Oh, looks like someone else wants to do something. Hey. All right. So we're gonna add some of this, which is basically just the Mountain House beef stew. So, sorry. We're gonna add some of it now. That's plenty there.
Rosa thinks she's getting treats.
Now, we are going to add some of these. I got these at the Asian market, and they're dried, and it's just, you know, adding calories, something really light that I can just take up with me on the trail. You know, the lighter you are, the easier it is. Thanks. I want to break these up. Think she'll eat one of these?
She can try it. But before you do that, I want to film it.
Okay. All right, then we'll just wait. Because it might be a one-time thing.
True. There's the beauty and the grace. Oh, look at that face. Nothing.
Now we're gonna put like this ramen in there. We've been going to the Pacific Asian market a lot, so we just keep getting all kinds of new stuff to try. Like cuttlefish jerky.
Yeah. Gross. Why are you talking about that? Gross.
All right, let's see. She's so excited.
Sit.
Now she listens, huh?
Oh, come on, yeah. Of course.
Let me just grab a packet and put things off.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh, I look like a tomato.
We're just gonna mix this up before we put water in there. Need help? Do you want to switch?
Oh, wait.
Rose again.
Good job, man. Oh, man. Good. Careful with my fingers.
Poor thing.
Okay.
Well, we'll have some hot chocolate right after this.
Okay.
So, what do you think about the hot chocolate you made?
It's really good. Is this recording? It is? Oh, okay.
It's actually coming along quite nicely. Oh! Looks like we lost some, huh? At the end of the day, this has to be girlfriend approved. She won't eat it when we're camping.
Oh, it looks good. It looks like the flavor has some. Gonna have flavor.
It's probably done.
Probably.
I'm just leaving it a little longer because of the dehydrated mushrooms. But the dehydrated mushrooms are very thin. All right, you ready for some?
Yes, please.
Just let me know when to stop, okay?
Okay.
Oh, it's down here. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. In no specific order, but this made quite a bit of food for two, and it was really light to carry. So this is a full meal right here, and let's try it out. Go first. What do you think?
That's really good.
Do you like the ramen taste in there?
Yeah. Tastes flavorful.
Wow. That is really good. How are the mushrooms? I'm gonna taste one.
The mushrooms were good. They taste like mushrooms.
So here's a mushroom that was very dehydrated. You know, like it wasn't freeze dried, just the regular dehydrated way. Normally they take longer, but they're really thin. And you can see like it's really soft and tastes great.
Tastes really good.
Would you really eat this in the wild?
Yeah.
she's already had squirrel, so one thing down. Love you, babe. Thanks for joining us, and hope to see you next time.